Within Xpedition, variants of a board assembly are defined and managed within a single project. This is particularly important when changes impact the core design, as these changes will be applied to update all variants automatically. In the next couple steps, you'll see the process where Xpedition enables easy transfer of variant data from Xpedition Layout to Siemens NX. In this simple example, you can see that we have 4 minor variants and a master variant. We can select and view each variant in the 3D view. In the 3D view, we can open up MCAD Collaborator to review the information before we send it over to NX. You can see in the collaboration data, components attached to a variant will have a suffix. Additionally, in the properties section, you'll be able to see the variants where the component belongs to. We can then send this baseline over to NX to import. In Siemens NX, we can import this baseline file that was created from Xpedition to create our master assembly of all variants. We can review each variant using the Assembly Arrangements dialog. Here you can see the same variant that were defined in Xpedition that are being passed over to NX and can be visually modified between each variant. In this example, we will take a single change to the LAN variant. In order to do this, we will need to activate the LAN and move the connector. Once we are satisfied with the change, we can then propose this as an incremental change over to Xpedition Layout. Finally, the last step is to review the modification in the incremental file and apply it to your Xpedition design. With variant support in Xpedition and NX, you now have a more robust environment to truly create the digital twin.